Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
I was here with the bridges about Bob's Grange. And these people, I will MP them now. These people will MP now. Because they can't come and say anything now, you know. A matter of fact, my viewers and subscribers, look, we hear Bob's side of the story, the time when him get locked up. The same time when the man talk about, we hear Bob's Green side, and my viewers and subscribers wanna tell me what to think about it down below in the comment section. Wanna hear Bob's Green explain himself.
In 1976, when the state of emergency,
Yes.
and I was taken from my house in Central Village,
Lord
took me
Jesus.
up a housing scheme. You know where they took me? To the old jail. And they had me in the guard room. And they were there trying to discuss if they must, this is after they harassed me and accused me of all kind of things. And they were trying to decide, hear them now. We're going to carry up a camp now, or we're going to try in the cell around the back. And the cell around the back of one woman, in the old rape woman, you know.
She thought the said state of emergency, you know, like the one where fear partner in crime, you know, the big nose man, are only resource, I'm only crime plan, the state of emergency. See, and according to this big nose man, our police commissioner, Anthony Anderson, that man will look like him have some form of disability. As count to these, and Dirty Foot Armstrong, as count to these people, anybody them take up in the state of emergency, them have strong information say them involved in crime activity. That means if police or soldier they take up Bob's Grange in a them time, that means in a them time then they have strong information say she connected with some form of criminal activity. I don't know what good for the goose, good for the gander, you know. If the police them are growing and soldier growing now take up some people, them say them have strong intel and say them in a illegal activity. When them take up Bob's Grange, them did have intel upon her say she in a illegal activity. So good for the goose, good for the gander. So I could hear some more what she say.
And she cut up a man and she charge her for murder. But she's like a man royal. You want to put her in the cell? And pour me sit up there because, you know, although me come from West Kingston, you know, me used to teach culture. Me deal with the young people, but poor me never know about badness. Man, you know, me never afraid for nobody.
Here are with our lied self, my viewers and subscribers. Poor me now never know nothing about badness. But no mind that, you know, me never didn't want soft lady, you know. No take me for no fool. That she say, you know. So cock mouth kill cock, you know. She say she never know, she don't know nothing about badness. But at the same time, you can't take her for fool because she can't defend her. You know about badness, but must stop tell lie. I said one time I don't know if you say, you tell lie upon yourself and don't even know it. You never did know bad woman. You don't know nothing about badness. But at the same time, nobody couldn't bring badness to you. Why? Because you know about badness. That's how you give on yourself all the time. I hear some more shit I say, and me say, you did a mix up with gunman, you know. I want my loyal viewers send me in a voice note to come tell me. So you used to mix up with gunman, and then they take up you in a state of emergency. And me say so. If you listen, if you watch a video, you will hear say one man say so. So me I talk off a base on what the man say. And you are explaining yourself on one platform about the said incident. So I know me say so. You say you never afraid of nobody. You never did a bad woman, but you're not afraid of nobody. That's the way I say. So I could hear some more mama say. Because she's not easy, you know, she look on her face. When you see that face, you see the devil turn up on him, left, right, and center. Oh, hear some.
But I wasn't like a roughneck. You know what I mean?
I know some I don't know what you mean. My viewers and subscribers don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean, you know. Because either you're a bad woman or you're not a bad woman, you know. So this is not something for you talking a parable, you know. It's either you're a gangster or you're not a gangster. You can't talk in a parable and for figure it out about if you know what you mean. We don't know what you mean. My viewers and subscribers, go down in the comment section and tell me if you know what you mean. Because me don't know, you know. And me I listen it and you know listen it too. So tell me if you know what you mean, because I don't know, I don't have a clue. Hey, listen lady, I don't know what you mean. I don't have a clue, but we still want to hear some more what I say.
Finally, about 2:30 that morning, they put me in a police vehicle and took me to Upper Camp. But they took me through a piece of mental torture, scaring me about putting me in the cell. The other day when I go in and I take a good looking at them cell back there, you know. Them cell now look so nice.
So my viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me what you think about the incident, the base of Babs again, just say, and the voice note when I just play. And in the next video, Marlene Malahu Fort or Fart. Name in the media now. My viewers and subscribers, have fun listen what this young man have to say. I have a reason about it and about to tell me what I think down below in the comment section. Because Liberate government is a government where a set of pirate make up them cabinet. So he with a G have to say, and then we're going to reason. Hear this.
Marlene, I'm not going away, you know? I swear I'm not going away, my friend. When I was a youth, you take a letter with signed, stamp, sealed by a notary public in New York City and throw the letter out to your court. You throw me out on the streets. You make me couldn't go back to school as a Kingston College student. You make me couldn't get for process to go through to university. You fuck my life and you take my house and you not my house, you take my father's house and give it to my uncle because him corrupt you. So I gotta stop Andrew from corrupting now. Because it's like you know, if they're in a certain position, that's why I can't rate Andrew Holness, no time. Because a long time I see him have a itch up around him, you know. Yahweh, side chick or what?
No man, we have to take a break. Ring the alarm. Another sound is dying. Bomb a drop. Away. Run for cover. Save your mother. My viewers and subscribers, I don't hear that. And I mean, say, you know, this is somebody who know Marlene Malahu personally, you know. But I don't hear nothing yet, you know. We don't hear the party. I don't hear this.
So people are ask me what go on. What me and Marlene Malahu fought out. Well, here was the story now. See? In 2004, we go play rugby for Jamaica. You can check that out. We got Trinidad. I was a Kingston College student at the time. Come back from Trinidad. Uncle say, yo, come out of your house. Say, you can't show me out. And my father's house, I know what go on. Anyway, boom now. This man carry me to court. The court tell me, say, me have to get a letter from my father. Sign, stamp and seal. Carry come to court. I have to open it when it come through FedEx, you know. Remember that them tell me. I carry go court. This lady accept the letter. For all money, weeks. Send we got dispute resolution, foundation, everything. Remember, me a teenager, you know. Me I represent myself. Me not a lawyer. My uncle a lawyer. And plus, he mix up in a bag of high society thing. Just read between the lines, eh? Now watch this. Me come back at court after dispute resolution foundation meeting where it could resolve. And this lady I go take an argument where him give she say me write the letter. Me physically write the letter. Make a JP a New York, sign it, stamp it, seal it, put him name, number, email, everything on it, send it come to Jamaica, and then me carry the letter come give she. This lady accept the letter from me unopened, accepted the letter as evidence, put it in her file, in her case, and then on the last day of court, the lady take the letter, throw it out of court, tell me say, me not have, what? That letter me write it, yeah? I ask her, I forget a handwriting expert. She no business about that, fuck.
My viewers and subscribers, based on what the Virginia has say, tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Because watch this now, and I talk your mind TV, I say nothing, you know. So, alright, remember write it off. It's alleged. So this lady robbed this young man out of father's house. I know me say so. My viewers and subscribers, I want uno to be the judge and the jury right now based on what the Virginia say, you know. Saying, I want uno to be the judge and the jury based on what the Virginia say. I want to go down in the comment section and tell me what you think. And I want to give me 1,000 like per video here. And see if you don't want to support the channel, if you don't want to become a member, you can just become a member and support the thing. Because you know, be a topic with drop around here. My viewers and subscribers, this youth come out bold for Marlon Malawi. And I don't know this man from nowhere, but he might talk some things.
Because she done Ware, you see me? Anyway, so now in our last part now, after this woman a throw me out a road for go live now, this woman will tell me about mother of his own, father of his own, blessed is the child that have his own. And me agree with her. I agree with her. And I did my father own and him give me for control. So who was you for throw me up on the street, Marlene? And I like it. You're not good. Or you for reform the constitution. You're too easy for corrupt. Eh? Like a petty session court you get corrupt. Can you imagine all them high position they them put in but attorney general and now this mad to Andrew. Hey. You must touch it.
So my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. As me I say, it's an allegation because I don't know if it goes off a true. But the youth come out strong for Marlon Malawi. Say she robbed him out of his father's house. Say I use Bible scripture upon him. Say blessed is the man that has his own, father of him own, son of him own. But what I don't understand, why you never tell the uncle say, if you allow the youth and him father property and go have your own. If I saw she say for true, why you never tell the uncle say, him for go have him own and leave the father and son make them inherit them on another property? I don't know. Don't tell me.